Hi guys, this is Zoe, and today we're going to be making grain-free vanilla cupcakes. So what I like about these cupcakes is that they're super good. I love to eat them on road trips and breakfast, and I'll just eat them all the time. So what you'll need for this recipe is a 4th teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 2/3 of a cup of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2/3 of a cup of cold almond milk, 5 eggs, half a cup of pure maple syrup, 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil, and make sure it's melted. I've already preheated my oven, so now I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients together. So now it's time to mix the dry ingredients. Now it's time for my professional taste tester.
Hi, I'm Max. Okay, I'll not do that.
Do you like it? Rating from 1 to 10.
10.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Thank you.
Wait, can I finish it?
Yeah. Now it's time to line the muffin tray. Now it's time to put the batter in. You want to fill each one of these halfway full. Now we're going to put the cupcakes into the oven. Remember, safety first, always wear oven mitts and have a parent in the room. Now that that's done, time for the timers. So you're gonna bake these 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. You can set it with an oven, but come on people, it's the 21st century. Alexa, set a 25-minute timer.
25 minutes, starting now.
Okay. I ended up baking mine for 30 minutes, but now it's time to take them out of the oven and check them. Smells delicious. So how you check them is you use a toothpick to stick them in the middle of the cupcake. If it's clean, that means they're done. Looks pretty clean to me. That means they're done. I know they smell delicious and yummy, but first we have to let them cool for 15 minutes. Alexa, set a 15-minute timer.
15 minutes, starting now.
Now they're ready. Time for Max to taste test.
Good.
Hey, well that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you. Happy eating. Mmm.